Here with the weather, and we're all quite full of Leo-type good spirits, aren't we? Because the sun was out.
Absolutely.
Not in Sark, admittedly.
No, it's been a little bit foggy, hasn't it, in some parts of the islands to end the day. But earlier, everybody was in a great mood because we did have some sunshine. Once that early morning cloud cleared off, we were left behind with some lovely, beautiful blue skies. And our temperatures got quite high today as well, feeling mild and sea. And also with the sun shining, crystal blue.
And even more to be excited about. Soon the clocks will be changing, and then we'll have, you know, more sunshine into the evening.
Absolutely, the clock change is happening this week. It's taking place on Sunday, and if you struggle to remember whether it's forward or backwards, well, remember that we will lose an hour of sleep, or if you're a shift worker, well, good news, because you'll be working for an hour less, and that will mark then the start of British summertime. So if you are an early riser, you may well notice it being a little lovely, brighter evenings. At the moment, the sun's setting close to 6:30, but once they change, they'll be setting up.
Well, it has been such a sunny forecast so far. I don't want to sort of pour any whatever on it, but it's going to be a little bit gloomy tomorrow, isn't it?
Well, we have got this pesky fog that at the moment is in the forecast, and it's, as you can see on the map here, it's sort of sitting over France, and it's looking like likely winds. It's looking like the morning will be worst for the fog, as that could possibly move in. Then the hope is by the afternoon we should hopefully get some of that burning off with some sunshine, but with the winds then swinging around from an easterly direction, there's a chance it could well blow the fog back towards us for some more murky conditions.
And how are we doing with viewer pictures today?
Well, I thought we'd end on a positive note with some lovely spring ducklings. Well, it has been on the mild side today. Highs more than 15 degrees in Guernsey and more than 17 degrees in Jersey, with very light winds to start this morning, so beautiful glassy waters. And it was a bit cloudy to start, but that soon broke up to give us some lovely sunshine and some blue skies as well. Now, heading into tomorrow, it's looking like it will start on a bit more of a cloudy note, and it's looking like we could have some fog patches as well. There's a bit of a question mark as to how widespread or how long lasting it is. If the sun burns that fog off, we could have some lovelier, brighter and sunnier weather by the afternoon, and it is looking like it's going to be a dry day tomorrow with light winds. Back to you tonight then, starting off with clear skies, but then some mist is likely to roll in, and that could well turn to the fog that I mentioned, but generally light winds at a dry night to come, with minimum temperatures of 6 to 7 degrees and the risk of a ground frost as well. So you can see here on my weather chart there is some sea fog around, and it's looking like some of this could well blow over into our islands to give us some mist and fog tomorrow morning. As the winds veer around, that could also blow the fog back into the afternoon, and there's a chance it could persist. But as I said, the power of the sun may well help us, and if that burns off the fog, there's nothing behind that, so we should have some bright and sunny weather. Another day with generally light winds, dry conditions and highs of 13 to 15 degrees. Let's get our times of high water then, between 4:45 and 5:30, later on between 5:15 and 6 p.m, with the sea temperature now at 9.4 degrees. So taking a look at our week as a whole, tomorrow a bit of a mixed picture with possibly some fog, but possibly some sunny spells. We are expecting a weather front to arrive overnight into Friday, and that's looking like it could bring us some wet conditions as we approach dawn and Friday morning. But then high pressure's moving back in, giving us some fine, dry and settled weather into next week.